C10 parts adventure. We're going to go back and see my new buddy, Harley. He's got a hood and the top piece that goes to the hood, like the up by the windshield wipers, that metal piece, and another tailgate. He's going to let me have all that for 60 bucks. So yeah, we're going to go on our second adventure to go pick up some C10 parts. All right, guys, we just got our parts from Harley, so now we're heading home. guys, let's get something to eat. We're here at the Bell. And no, this is not a sponsorship for Taco Bell. It's just one of the places that we love to go out and eat. So we gotta go to the Bell. But as you can see, it's so dark that you'll probably have to wait until tomorrow before I can show you what all we got. All right, guys, it's the next day. It's actually morning time, about 11 o'clock. I was a little bit lazy about getting up this morning. But anyway, let's go ahead and show you our haul and everything. It's still in the back of the truck. I hadn't even took it out yet, so let's go ahead and look at it. All right, guys, here it is in the back of the truck. Here is our hood. Yeah, it's still strapped down, and yeah, I know I didn't do the best job of strapping it down, but it's not going anywhere. Here's the worst spot on the hood where the former body work was done. The Bondo is cracking, probably because of the rust and the moisture that got underneath it, so it cracked. I'm not really that worried and concerned about this paint and this primer and this Bondo that came off, but it'll just be something that'll have to be fixed later on and everything. But overall, I don't see any major dents in the hood. So let's just go ahead and get this bad boy out of here and put on the donor truck. This is the C20, the 3/4 ton that I'm going to use its frame and chop it off in half, take 14 inches out of it, make it a short bed, basically remove all the front suspension and clean up and put the suspension on for the 1500 underneath it. Same thing for the, the rear and everything, because it's got a good, rear end underneath it. So, and I want to give the rear end back to my buddy that actually originally owned this truck. So let's go ahead and get this hood unloaded. All right, guys, it's out of the package, so to speak, and it's on the truck just laying up there. There's a better look at the hood. Yeah, it's not bolted down. It does have a dent right here that I just saw, and it does have some rusting through here, so it does have some rust issues. But for a spare hood that's pretty straight, like I said, it's got a couple of dents, maybe. Might be more than just this. So there's this one, and then there's this little crease dent here. Not bad. Oh, let me show you the other piece that I've got. See, woohoo, Sierra 2500. Okay, here's the inside. Here's this piece that I got. Yeah, I just threw the seat in here, so sorry. But here's the windshield wiper one that I've got. Check that out. Yeah, it's in pretty good shape. It's got some rust. Not the best paint job that was put on it all those years ago, but it's held up. So there it is. So that's good. And yeah, this is the inside of my donor cab and donor frame that I'm going to be using for my truck. So like I said, we're going to change this out with the Silverado stuff that I have. And I do have some moisture issues, and there are some rust issues in the cab, and hopefully we'll get those addressed sooner than later. So we'll eventually tear all this out, maybe even pour 15 the bottom, and maybe even do some other things like they do with the insulation, the bubble wrap stuff, and the aluminum tape. But there's those pieces. Yeah, like I said, I just threw the seat in there to keep the rats from getting it during the winter and building a nest. Okay. Oh yeah, but see, it's a long wheelbase, and I want to cut it. But here's the spare tailgate that you finally get to see. So like I said, it's not perfect, but hey, for basically $40 for that and $20 for the hood and the other piece, that's pretty good. So all right, guys, I got a lot of work to do. This might even take 7 years. I don't know, 4 years, 3 years. Depends upon how motivated I get and if I get a garage. All right, guys, that'll do it for us. So I'll catch y'all next time, and I'm going to go ahead and get some of the things ready that I need, and maybe Brandon and I will play around with some painting. Well, mainly getting ready for paint on the other tailgate that I really like. All right, guys, y'all have a good one.